What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be testing out something new and also doing a look with the Urban Decay Naked Ultraviolet palette. I'm really excited about today actually because I've had this for a while and yet I have not actually tested it out. So today we're gonna do that. But I have this. This isn't as seen on TV. I have never seen this on TV. I don't know what that's about, but it is the Easy Makeup Glasses. 3 times magnification glasses, slide on, click on, apply makeup. So you're supposed to be able to put this on and then do your makeup with this on. It doesn't sound super realistic to me, I guess. So we're gonna try it out today. I picked this up on a whim during like a FabFitFun add-on sale a while ago, and I've had it ever since, and the box is getting all dusty now. So we're gonna go ahead and try this out today, and we're gonna do a look with the Urban Decay Naked Ultraviolet palette, and we're gonna see how it goes. So I'm really excited about this. I have not done any of my eye makeup. I have not done my brows. I have not done my eyeshadow. I have not done anything because we are going to just give this a try. There's an instruction manual. So there is a light on these, which is interesting. There's batteries, an on-off button. Okay, this is what they look like. They're very big. And you guys know that I have literally the worst eyesight ever. And so for me, something like this in theory would be really helpful. So we're gonna see if it is actually helpful or not. So I'm gonna take off my regular glasses. I am going to put this on. There is a light, but I can't see it. Okay. And then the magnifying lens goes back and forth. But it's such a severe magnification that it really throws off everything else. Okay, so we're gonna test this out. I've done the rest of my face makeup today. I'm going to post everything that I used in the comments down below, including all the products that I'm using right now, because I feel like that would probably definitely be a little bit easier than going through everything. So let's see. So I'm gonna start with my brows, obviously, because that's what I always do. And the first way does not seem to be going very well, so I'm going to try it with the ultraviolet mirror. This is more difficult than I thought it was going to be. Okay, so what if I switch it? But then I can't reach it. And that doesn't make any sense. So let me switch it back. I think I'm going to end up doing one eye with the glasses on and then one without. We're gonna see how that works. So I saw these on the some random sale that FabFitFun had, and I was intrigued because obviously I have terrible eyesight, and you know, if there's something out there that can make it like a little bit easier to apply makeup with, then I would definitely be down to trying that. So I went ahead and picked it up. It was like $6 or $7, I think. It wasn't very expensive. And I've never seen it, oh shit, I've never seen it on TV before, but like we don't have cable anymore. So I don't know when I would have seen it, you know. All of these as seen on TV things aren't really on my radar anymore. But the concept was so interesting to me that I figured let's go ahead and give it a try. Why not? So this eyebrow is definitely much larger than this eyebrow, and this one is the one that I did with the glasses on, and it's much larger and thicker, and it's not quite as, I don't even know. It's also like I dragged it down more because I was so concerned about that. So I'm gonna try to make them even, I guess. I don't even know how I got that shape. Okay, it looks better. Move on to the next step. The next step is going to be eye primer. Just a good old classic eye primer. I'm gonna shut off the lights because the lights don't seem to be doing anything except blurring my vision. See, there's not enough room for brushes to do like a full eye look. So I feel like possibly mascara, maybe. I don't quite know. So now with them not on, I'm going to do my other eye with eye primer, and I'm using the eye primer also to kind of clean up my brows because this is a thicker eye primer. It's very like concealer consistency, and so I've been using this to semi clean up my brows. Okay, I feel like on this eye, the one that I did while wearing the glasses, the eye primer is not as blended as on the other eye, especially kind of in this area out here, because I really wasn't able to get like my brush in the spot it should have been in. I'm going to do eyeshadow next, so I'm going to zoom you guys a little bit closer for that part so we can really see what's happening here. So this is the Urban Decay Ultraviolet palette. I'm going to start off by setting that eye primer with the Trippin' shade, which is this shade right here, and I'm just going to really quickly sweep that over both eyes. And then I think I'm going to do just one eye at a time. I'm going to do one with the glasses, one without. And we'll see. We're gonna see how it looks. Alright, I'm gonna go with a little bit of a simpler eye look today. I'm gonna use this optimized shade. And I'm gonna put that all over my lid. And I'm literally just gonna put that everywhere, buff it up to the crease. And I wanna try to make like a shape at the end here. But I have to figure out how to get the brush there without stabbing myself in the eye. This is not working. Then I'm going to go into the shade Lucid right here, and I'm going to take that and put that kind of in my inner corner, but then sweep it up, kind of blend it into the beginning of the crease. And then I'm going to go back into the optimized shade. This is like, I feel like this is what doing your makeup drunk would be like. Because it's not magnifying anything. It's just kind of giving me blurry vision. Okay, so I'm going to do the same thing to the other eye. And it's much easier to do without the glasses because not only can I reach everything, I can see a little bit easier because the glasses are literally giving me like blurry vision. I couldn't tell you why. I don't know if it's because like my own eyesight is so bad, but I'm not seeing anything get like magnified because the magnification is on the other side. But obviously if I have the magnification on the side that I'm trying to work on, I'm not actually going to be able to like do anything. So I don't honestly get the point, and I feel like it's a better idea in theory. I'm gonna have to see if anybody has successfully like used it, but obviously if you have, let me know in the comments down below because I'm missing something. That's atrocious. I'm literally doing the exact same look, and this is how it's supposed to look on this eye, where you have the optimized everywhere and then the lucid is kind of like a stripe. So now that I can see, I'm gonna kind of go in and fix the lucid on the other eyes. I don't know, you guys, I don't get the point of that at all. I'm gonna do liner now, and I'm going to keep trying them because that's the point of all of this. I think the concept is clever. I really don't want to put them on again. They really hurt my head because it's not... Hang on. Okay, let me finish on my eyes really quick and then we'll talk more about it because that's not working well for me. Okay, so there is the finished look. So I'm gonna put on my actual glasses now so that, oh, I can see again. It's a great moment, you guys. Okay, here's the thing. I don't quite get these because in the picture she has them how I had them, where she's got the magnification on this side and then she has the open side on the side that she's applying eye makeup with. Okay, it doesn't work like that though, because the way the glasses are shaped, obviously, you only have this little section to work in. So if you're doing anything beyond this section, which for me includes the outer corner of my eye, it doesn't work because you can't fit your brush in there. This is an interesting concept, but again, I don't really see any magnification, and I don't know if that's because like my own eyesight is just that bad. Magnifying glasses normally work on me, or if it's because it's too close or what, but it didn't work. Nothing was really magnified. It just kind of made my vision go like double crossed and blurry, and it gave me a headache. So these unfortunately were a total bust for me, but like I said, let me know in the comments if you've tried these before, if you've had any luck with them. I think that this eye obviously looks way better than this eye, and this is the one that I had the glasses on for. I was able to fix most of it, so like I can wear the makeup today, but it didn't, I'm probably gonna end up like donating these or something, seeing if somebody else wants to try them out, because these did not work for me, unfortunately. But let me know if they did work for you, or if you've ever heard about these or seen these, or just what your thoughts on the concept is down below in the comments. I would definitely be super interested. Yeah, so that is today's video. Unfortunately, testing these out didn't go super great, but also let me know what you think about the eyeshadow look. It's a very simple look. I wanted to go kind of simple because I knew it was going to be an interesting concept. But I do like the look. I love the Urban Decay Ultraviolet palette. It's so stunning, and the Lucid shade is the one that I have like the absolute largest dip in this palette in, because it is such a beautiful shade. There goes the brush. Okay. But yeah, so let me know down below all of your thoughts. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. Please make sure you consider a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and make sure you get that big red subscribe button if you'd like to see more of me. I will catch you guys next time. Have a great one. Bye.